Not his face, Aiden. Careful with his face. Good job. Where's the washcloth?
Washcloth. It's right here.
Put it in the water so it gets wet.
I got it wet. So I can wash it?
Yeah.
Can I wash it? Can I wash him?
Yeah, go ahead.
Good. On his back.
It's
Jeez.
splashing.
That's okay.
He's having fun. Oh, you washing his back? Good job.
Can I wash his head?
No.
Can I wash his head?
Squeeze the washcloth out first.
Rag like this. Hey, shit, like this. Look.
And then put it on there, but be careful.
Okay.
Good.
Here, Shane.
If
Shane.
you're gonna wash his head,
Yeah.
go ahead. Just be careful. Squeeze the water out.
There you go.
All right. Good job. Be easy though.
Nice and soft.
There you go. You gotta be gentle. He's just a baby, okay? You're the big boy.
I'm a big boy.
Yeah. He splashed you?
It's okay. He didn't mean it.
Good job, Aiden.
Alright, that's it.
All right, say bye to the camera.
Bye, camera.